As a college educator and as a college advisor, my salary is more like a teacher's salary. And as we all know, teachers don't get paid that much. Last year, around November, I started to think about the holidays and I started to get really nervous, and I wanted an opportunity to start making an extra income, but I didn't want to leave my house. I wanted an opportunity to work from home, and I knew that other people were doing it. I just didn't know how. I started to think, how can I make just a little bit of extra money so that I can make ends meet? Because by the end of the month, I'm literally down to my last $100, and I was sick and tired of feeling stressed out. I came across digital marketing, and this was something that blew my mind because as a college advisor, I've never seen this kind of earning income potential. This type of salary only comes from high wage, high demand jobs, and you have to have a credential. Now that I understand more about what digital marketing is, and now that I understand more about what having a master resale right is, this is an amazing opportunity. It is a legit business, and I would love to share more.